Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're making one of my favorite foods, which is a salad. Some of you might be laughing and thinking that I'm kidding, but I'm not. Salad really is one of my favorite foods, and you're going to learn why. We're going to make a house-made honey mustard dressing. It only has 3 ingredients, so it's super simple. But this salad is an example of what you can do in your own home when you're in a hurry, when you just kind of need to grab what you have available, and it's fast food in the comfort of your own kitchen, is what I like to say. So to start, we're just going to take some Dijon mustard. So this is 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and I'm going to put this in my little mixing cup here, or measuring cup, I should say. So 2 tablespoons of Dijon, 2 tablespoons of a local honey. I highly recommend you stick with a local honey just because you're going to get the local pollens and things like that, which will actually help with seasonal allergies, things like that are going on in your areas. The farmer's market is normally a good place to find it, or maybe a health food store. And then 2 tablespoons of water. So it's equal parts honey, mustard, and water. So you're just going to put that in here. Oops. And then I'm just going to use a baby little whisk and whisk this up. If you like it thicker, you could omit the water, but I like it a little bit thinner, so that's why I added the water in there. But again, this is a super easy salad dressing. You could make on a Sunday, you could make, a quart of it if you wanted to, or you can just whip it up as you're making a salad and it doesn't take any time at all, because then it's done. Okay, so now I'm gonna just let my dressing sit to the side for a minute. I'm gonna take my plate. Actually, I'm going to toss it in my bowl first. I changed my mind. So I'm using just mixed greens. Grab whatever you already have in your fridge, whether it's spinach, mixed greens, arugula, kale, anything goes. My recommendation to you for salads of any kind is that there's no rules in making a salad. You can put fruit, you can put vegetables, you can put beans, grains, nuts and seeds, literally anything you have in your pantry that's a produce or a whole food item, maybe not graham crackers, that would be kind of weird. But any produce you have, toss it in your salad and we'll add our dressing. So I'm actually first gonna add some hemp seeds. I love doing hemp seeds because it adds extra protein, so it's gonna help keep me full for longer. So I'm just gonna kind of do a handful there, so a little bit more than a tablespoon probably. And then some fresh carrots that are just diced up or sliced. I have some radishes. I love radishes. I love the peppery taste of them. I think they're a really nice component to a salad. And they're typically not something you're just gonna snack on too. It's not like an apple. So I like to do things like that. Red cabbage, some green onion. You could do red onion. You could skip the onion. Some people don't like onion in their salads. I have some sliced almonds, so this will also add some more protein and another fat source to help keep me full for longer. And then I have some roasted and spiced chickpeas. So we'll probably do these in another video coming up, but they're just chickpeas that have some chili powder, cumin, paprika, and they've just been baked in the oven. So then I can just toss this all together. That looks good. Now I can put this on my plate. And you could skip the bowl if you want to. I kind of like to mix it up a little bit first. Here we go. And remember, there are no rules. So depending on what you have in your house, you might have bell pepper or celery or cucumber, anything like that. You can add anything you want to a salad. And I highly encourage you to try doing a salad a day. If you did a salad a day every day for a month, I promise you will feel like a new person. And it might too become one of your favorite foods. So then I'm just gonna drizzle on my honey mustard dressing. I'm a saucy person, so I like lots of sauce or lots of dressing, but not everybody does. So as you can see here, we have a really beautiful salad. And you could add some avocado even. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I love honey mustard. That is so delicious. Cool, well that's it. I hope you learned something and I hope you're feeling inspired to make a salad in your own kitchen. Just remember, anything goes. You can make this honey mustard. You could just do an olive oil and vinegar combo, but I promise you won't be mad if you try this out. Be sure to comment below, subscribe to our channel, let us know what you think, what recommendations or requests you have for the future, and I'll see you next time.